invisible stop sign strikes again. Get on your own side, please. Douchebag. Oh, douchebag. Yeah, narrow ass lanes. I wonder how this is going to turn out for you. Nope. Motorcycle. Jeez. Did not move over, and I gave him plenty of room to slow down and merge in. No excuses. Really? Why can't you just stay in that lane?
Before, remember the arts and crafts license plates we keep seeing? Those don't work either.
And they make fake pregnancy bellies.
They do.
With like, and that's the other thing. Like, you don't and use just employee discount. And I was like, if you're shopping with someone else's money,
what the fuck are you? Don't be thrifty, motherfucker.
Really?
Also, it's Old Navy.
Does not move over.
And I guess that happens. Like, you get engaged, but you can't afford a ring yet, whatever.
Yeah.
So, presumably the other girlfriend was married before or something, because she had a wedding ring set. So you just fucking took it.
I mean, she wasn't using it, right?
And then you...
You are never not on KP. You are never
exit
on
dive.
Yeah.
Well, an advanced exit dive, but still an exit dive.
If the dude says he's good. So yeah, this
nice cut off.
Bag was pulled over at time.
You can't U-turn there.
Miami.
Oh, dear.
Jazz? Dale said, Jazz, don't pass out. Okay. I said, getting up.
Don't you think about it.
Each breath of
Don't you think about it. Don't you think about it.
Okay.
Good, merge into that lane. Thank you.
I think we just have to wait. It takes a while.
I almost said this moment where I had to sing, but...
We're doing good. I guess the problem...
Work it harder, make it better. Do it faster, makes it stronger. Wow. Yeah, why'd you have to go in this lane just to only go 60?
Moral dilemma X is wrong at any time. T equals 1, T equals...
Exit dive.
It does not change. There's not an exception.
12 seconds, Johansson said, trying not to quaver. Vogel, Lewis continued. How far can we deflect in 39 minutes with the ion engines?
The victim pounded on the wall of 41-year-old Edwin Colley's bedroom because the music was too loud.
Exit dive.
Coley came out of the room.
While surrounding me, I had no way to grip the valve. All I could do was watch. Dale strained as hard as he could. God damn!
Hell. More accurately, hell is coming to us.
Red light run.
Yeah?
Red light run. That big truck with its lift gate open. He didn't stop. That motorcycle up there. Red light runner. Then rolled to stop. You didn't stop. No turn on red. Really? Exit dive.
Rest of my life virus.
And like, we have not left the house. Because Dan was like, if you have it, I have it, you know? Yeah. But good news is, we're okay.
Mm-hmm. They got honked up. Way to cut across. Whatever. You guys saw what he did.
Article, some website will be like, where? And then it'll be like, wait a minute.
Said the snowflake and been like, oh.
What the fuck, man? Did you see me coming?
But most Mississauga man charged after used condoms tied to 9
exit dive.
Economy of its host. Anti-abortion opponents have long seized upon late-term horror stories.
Exit dive.
An example being president accusations, and more on dialogue and education. We should, whenever possible,
red light run.
Foster communication that the abortion issue is often decided by couples, not just an individual. With the critical question of personhood.
Ideas.
So yeah, I'm already developing bruises on the bottom of
red light
feet,
run.
like on the arch.
Really? You stopped and then went.
It's F-U-K-T. Fucked. Yeah, let's. Murdoch driver's car.
Go. You got plenty of space.
After
Go.
the driver left a lit candle in the car. Charlotte County fire crews responded to the call early Monday morning. They found the car on fire in a Culver's parking lot. The driver told first
holy shit, he had plenty of space. What the
a
frick?
fragrant candle in the car with protection program loans on behalf of different companies. Fraudulent loan applications were submitted about the company's respective payroll
Hi there.
expenses.
What's up?
For 3 point thing in adult storage, not in the store. That's not how that works. They'll be happy to talk to you. They will describe things. They will help you know them, but they are not going to let you. Let's put a capstone on that too. We have more horrible things for
red
you
light run
this week.
I think that was a red light run. Hey, old timer. Just ran through the stop sign. Nissan drivers. Oh shit! It's see if I can get alongside him. Jesus Christ! Oh Yeah, he noticed, I think. Hopefully.
Winterfell.
Last one this week.
Really?
This is.
We're
You know
gonna
what?
wait for me
This
to go
sounds
by.
exciting, but I read the headline and it just made me tired.
Exit dive behind me. The fuck? What are you stopping for?